Welcome to TechMirror, the best electric toothbrushes in 2026 that will elevate your oral care routine. From advanced cleaning technology to smart features, we have tested and reviewed the top options to help you make the perfect choice. Whether you want a brighter smile or healthier gums, we have you covered. Links in the description for all the products we feature. Number 5. The Aquasonic Black Series Ultra Whitening Toothbrush is a top-tier electric toothbrush designed for adults seeking advanced oral care. Combining power, precision, and modern technology, it delivers an impressive 40,000 vibrations per minute, ensuring superior plaque removal and a professional-level clean. This toothbrush has earned the prestigious American Dental Association acceptance, confirming its effectiveness in maintaining gum health and preventing gingivitis. Its 4 distinct brushing modes include options for whitening, polishing, and improving gum care, making it a versatile choice for a complete oral hygiene routine. Built with convenience and longevity in mind, the Black Series comes with a lithium-ion battery that supports ultra-fast wireless charging. A full charge allows up to 4 weeks of use with 2-minute sessions twice daily, making it ideal for both home and travel. The toothbrush features a smart timer and ergonomic lightweight design that is IPX7 waterproof, allowing comfortable use even in the shower. This set also includes 8 DuPont-engineered brush heads, each lasting 3 to 4 months, providing over 2 years of continuous use. The included custom hardshell travel case accommodates the toothbrush and 2 extra brush heads, offering portability without compromising hygiene. User reviews praise its long battery life, build quality, and multiple brushing modes, noting that it delivers professional results at home. While the 30-second pause feature may take some adjustment, it is consistent with standard electric toothbrush intervals. Overall, the Aquasonic Black Series Ultra Whitening Toothbrush is an exceptional investment for those who want a reliable, high-performance, and technologically advanced toothbrush for long-term oral health. Number 4. The Philips Sonicare 4100 Series Electric Toothbrush is an excellent choice for adults seeking effective and gentle oral care. Designed with advanced sonic technology, it generates high-frequency vibrations that pulse fluid between teeth and along the gum line, ensuring thorough cleaning in hard-to-reach areas. The C2 Optimal Plaque Brush Head features soft, flexible bristles that whiten and polish teeth while removing up to 7 times more plaque than a manual toothbrush, making it an ideal solution for maintaining a healthy, bright smile. Safety and comfort are prioritized with a built-in pressure sensor that gently pulses if excessive force is applied, protecting teeth and gums from damage. The toothbrush also includes the Easy Start feature, which gradually increases brushing intensity for a more comfortable experience, as well as a smart timer and quad pacer that guide users to brush for the recommended 2 minutes, ensuring each quadrant of the mouth receives equal attention. The brush head replacement reminder tracks usage and alerts users when it is time to replace the brush head, supporting optimal dental hygiene practices. With up to 14 days of battery life on a full charge, it is convenient for both daily use and travel. The set includes 1 Philips Sonicare 4100 Series electric toothbrush, 1 C2 Optimal Plaque brush head, and a USB charger. Users praise its quality, effectiveness, and long-lasting battery, noting that it maintains excellent tooth and gum health. Overall, the Philips Sonicare 4100 series is a reliable, technologically advanced toothbrush that combines convenience, performance, and dental expertise for superior oral care. Number 3. The Oral-B IO Deep Clean Rechargeable Electric Toothbrush Black with IO Series 3 Limited is an advanced electric toothbrush designed for adults who prioritize both oral health and convenience. This toothbrush offers a deep clean by removing up to 100% more plaque compared to a manual toothbrush, promoting healthier gums in just 1 week. Its unique IO pressure sensor ensures the perfect amount of pressure is applied during brushing, protecting gums while providing a highly effective clean. The toothbrush features an IO light ring timer, which celebrates the dentist's recommended 2-minute brushing time, helping users maintain optimal oral hygiene. It also includes a refill change alert to notify users when it is time to replace the brush head. With 3 cleaning modes, Daily Clean, Sensitive, and Whitening, users can personalize their brushing experience according to their specific oral care needs. The round brush heads are designed to reach areas that manual rectangular brushes cannot, ensuring a thorough clean every time. Powered by a long-lasting lithium-ion battery, the Oral-B IO toothbrush provides consistent performance and can easily keep up with daily brushing routines. The set includes 2 brush heads and a travel case, making it convenient for home use and travel. Users have praised the toothbrush for delivering a professional dentist-level clean and for its superior effectiveness compared to traditional toothbrushes. Overall, the Oral-B IO Deep Clean Rechargeable electric toothbrush is a premium, technologically advanced toothbrush that combines precision, safety, and comfort. Although it is a higher investment, the performance, durability, and improved oral health benefits make it a worthwhile choice for anyone seeking a superior cleaning experience. Number 2. The Philips Sonicare ProtectiveClean 5300 Rechargeable Electric Toothbrush is a high-quality toothbrush designed to provide adults with superior oral care. It combines advanced technology, customizable features, and user-friendly design to ensure a thorough and comfortable brushing experience. With a built-in pressure sensor, this toothbrush alerts users when they are applying too much force, protecting gums and promoting optimal cleaning without causing irritation or damage. This model offers 3 customizable cleaning modes: clean, white, and gum care, allowing users to tailor their brushing experience according to their individual needs. The clean mode is ideal for everyday plaque removal, the white mode helps polish teeth for a brighter smile, and the gum care mode provides gentle care for sensitive gums. The Smart Timer and Quad Pacer features ensure users brush for the dentist-recommended 2 minutes and evenly cover all areas of the mouth. The Philips Sonicare ProtectiveClean 5300 also incorporates brush sync technology, which tracks brush head usage and reminds users when it is time to replace it, maintaining peak performance and hygiene. The rechargeable lithium-ion battery delivers up to 2 weeks of use on a full charge, making it convenient for travel. The sleek black design adds a modern touch to any bathroom, and the included travel case ensures portability. The package includes the handle, 1 G2 Optimal Gum Care brush head, 2 Diamond Clean brush heads, a charger, and a travel case. Users appreciate its effectiveness, ease of use, and versatile cleaning options. Overall, the Philips Sonicare ProtectiveClean 5300 is a reliable, technologically advanced, and convenient toothbrush that promotes healthier teeth and gums with consistent use. Number 1. The Oral-B IO Deep Clean Plus Protect Rechargeable Electric Toothbrush Black with IO Series 7 is a technologically advanced toothbrush designed for adults seeking superior oral care. It provides exceptional plaque removal, eliminating up to 100% more plaque in just 1 week and promoting twice as healthy gums. This makes it a highly effective solution for those who want a professional-level clean from the comfort of home. This toothbrush delivers a smart brushing experience with an interactive display that allows users to select from 5 cleaning modes: Daily Clean, Sensitive, Whitening, Gum Care, and Intense Clean. It tracks brushing time, alerts users when it is time to replace the brush head, and monitors battery level, ensuring a convenient and effective oral care routine. The IO pressure sensor is a standout feature, signaling whether you are brushing too hard, too soft, or just right, thereby protecting gums while providing a thorough clean. The Oral-B app further enhances the experience by tracking brushing habits in real time and guiding users to areas that may require more attention, helping maintain consistent and comprehensive oral hygiene. The included fast charger and charging travel case allow for convenient use at home or on the go, making it ideal for frequent travelers. Users praise the toothbrush for its quiet operation, sleek design, and magnetic charger, noting that the Daily Clean mode delivers a dentist-level clean every time. Overall, the Oral-B IO Deep Clean Plus Protect IO Series 7 toothbrush is a premium, versatile, and technologically sophisticated electric toothbrush that combines precision, convenience, and superior cleaning performance for optimal oral health. Thank you for watching our review of the best electric toothbrushes in 2026. We hope this guide helps you choose the perfect toothbrush for healthier teeth and gums. From advanced technology to personalized cleaning modes, these models make oral care easier and more effective. Do not forget to check the links in the description to explore and purchase the products featured in this video. Stay healthy and keep smiling.